So we have been in Denver for a year, and I just want to take you for a quick little morning walk. Spring in Denver. It is April 20th, and look at this snow. Gotta be careful going down these stairs so I don't fall. Look at that. This is spring in Denver. Isn't this beautiful? This is so pretty. So beautiful. My goodness. There's still some snow falling. And you see the visibility is next to nothing. Wow. I mean, it's a beautiful experience here. This weather is crazy though. I think it's supposed to be 70s in the 70s Monday.